Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Yeksenia and my channel is mostly about business strategies, finance, lifestyle, and personal development tips and tricks. So if those are things that you're interested in, please keep watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to talk about the unfortunate impacts that the coronavirus pandemic has had on the entire world. And as you know, not only have many people lost their loved ones, but they also have lost their jobs. So I wanted to give you a perspective of the impacts that the coronavirus pandemic has had within the United States. And according to the U.S. Labor Department, over 42.6 million Americans have filed for unemployment during the coronavirus pandemic. So that just gives you a perspective of the financial impact that it has, not only on the businesses, but also on the individuals themselves. So now it has us in a place like, crap. What do? We have no more income coming in, you know? And if we weren't already struggling enough, bam, we lost our jobs. But now is the time, I can tell you, for you to put on that creative cap and find ways that you can make money. So you need to look at what skills and abilities that you have. You have the time to reflect on it now. So look at that and then just think, how can I start bringing some money on the side? Like, what is going to be your now side hustle? So I wanted to talk about how to have fun and make money in a bad economy. It's unfortunate that we're in this position, but we need to make the best of it. So I have 3 ideas for you, and these are for those who have absolutely not a dollar to their name. You can start doing this to generate some type of income. So the first one is for those who enjoy cooking. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a huge trend now that is going more towards home-based kitchen foods. So if you specialize in making any dish, and I'm talking any dish, it does not matter what it is, but if you know how to make whatever that dish is very well, use that to your advantage. It's really important that you learn how to market that. So what does that mean? Is market it. Market it on your social media. You're going to use Facebook, Instagram. If you have a YouTube channel, start throwing it on your YouTube channel. You can start doing word of mouth. Let your family and your friends know. Let them know that this is what you're getting ready to do. So when it's time for you to launch what you're doing, they can share that with you. And if they're really your good friends and family, they will do that to support you. So you want to market it. Definitely on your social media platforms. You're going to do word of mouth with your friends and family. Next, what you want to do is create that dish and also consider the supplies. What are the materials that you're going to need to be able to perform those orders that are starting to come in? Like, so that would be the presentation. Think about what ideas you want to use for presentation. And also consider if you're going to charge a delivery fee or is it only carry out. You also want to create pictures with different variety. Make sure that you have an order sheet that's laid out very simple. You also want to be able to show your menu, what comes in this package when they choose to order your dish. So you want to lay it out very simple, very easy, and also you kind of want to have some type of colors to attract people to look at that. They don't need to be neon, but have some colors that would start attracting people on their news feed. As people are starting to share it around or they're starting to see it on their news feed, you want their eyes to gravitate towards it. So that's my first suggestion, is home-based meals. So the second option I have for you to have fun and make money in a bad economy would be for those who have a crafty and artistic skill set. So for those of you who enjoy to create things with your hands, whether it be custom furniture pieces, or if you have a sewing machine, you can create face masks. That's huge right now. That's trending by far. Everybody's trying to look up to see how they can make them. What if you have that? If you already have the sewing machine, you can start making them and sell them. Search recent trending crafts and see if you're interested in making them, and if so, learn how to market them. You're going to use that social media again. You're going to use those social media platforms. You're going to use that word of mouth. You can also use Craigslist, for example, when you want to sell your craft work, or you could also use Facebook Marketplace. Really be creative. Look around in your home. Are there objects that you can use to put and piece together and create something that others will enjoy having? Just remember to market. Use word of mouth. Have your friends and families help spread the word of what you're doing, in hopes that their support will also help drive other people to come to you for your creative skills. My third option of how to have fun and make money in a bad economy would be to sell your clothes, your furniture, your electronics, things that are just taking up space. So for your pre-loved clothes, I know this may be a little touchy subject for those, but I'm just saying, really try to stay within that 1 year time frame, because typically if you had them for years and years, majority of the time the quality lessens. You'll tell, like in the fabric and in the stitching. So just really consider that when you are selling them. You really want to make sure that that person enjoys what they purchased from you, because they may come back to you to get more. So just, that's something that you want to consider. So I did some research for you guys, and I found an app that's called Mercari. So this is an app that you can use on your phone. So for those of you who do not have a laptop, but you do have a cell phone, a smartphone, you can use this app. And what it says is that it has 100,000 items listed daily. And what you just do is take a photo, add a description, set a price, but just keep in mind that they do charge a 10% fee. But that is one option that you can have to start selling these things that you no longer need. Other sites that you can use to help sell the items that you have at home that you no longer need are OfferUp, Poshmark, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Really consider using these types of sites to help you start making some money, because we all hustling right now. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, please like and subscribe to this video. Comment down below. I want to hear from you. If you like this video, please let me know. If you have other questions, please let me know as well. I really look forward to hearing from you. Bye.